Hello, folks. Rusty Acres here. I'm in Jonas Ridge, North Carolina. There's a little place right here, the Mountain Crossing Mercantile. Old boy that runs it, pretty good to me. He lets me park my trucks and trailers up here when I can't get them up the mountain to the house. How you like that? Pretty sharp. Advertising. That's what you do with an old Ford. Couldn't use a Chevrolet because it'd rust away. Yeah. Now, all you Chevrolet people don't go hating on me. I'm just joking. Go inside and we'll have a word. Hello, folks. Rusty Acres here at the Mountain Crossing Mercantile. This fella Kurt here. He's a good man. He lets me park my junk out behind the store when I come up here and I can't get it up the hill. And I bring him license plates from Florida. We got him a disabled veteran one here for this trip.
Yeah, appreciate it.
I sent him some before. You see him over yonder hanging up the Florida ones. And he's good people. He's got a lot of things going on here. We'll let him tell you a little bit about it.
Yeah, so this is Mountain Crossing Mercantile. This is our general store. We also run a guide service called Hike More Adventures. We do rock climbing, backpacking, overnight camping, all here at the Pisgah National Forest. We also have a little farm called Teague Mountain Farm. With Teague Mountain Farm, we do custom beef programs, chickens, local eggs. We also do grandma's recipe on pickles and ramps and stuff like that. And if you're not familiar with ramps, check them out. They're really good. It's basically a wild onion, mountain onion. So that's a little bit of what we do here. We're kind of got a lot of facets to our business. Being up here in the mountains, you got to do a lot to keep it going.
Once again, that's in Jonas Ridge, North Carolina.
Jonas Ridge.
And he's a good man. Like I said, he helps me out and lets me park my junk out back because I can't get it up the hill. And we'll bring you more. Y'all have a good day. Yeah. Looks like this has finally come to an end. As you can see, we have some leftovers to put away, but that's about it. Walk through gate here, up the side of the mountain. Around, going down. See another double walk through gate. And the fence goes back on underneath the porch to the house. Dodge! See if we can get a picture of Dummy himself. Dodge!
Dodge.
Aha. There's the root cause of all this evil right there.
You're on camera, smile.
So it's finally done. I'm going home.
Thank you.
Yay. There's the foreman. Say hello.
Hello.
Dirty Dodge is hooked up, loaded up. Got 2 brand new skins on the front. Yeehaw. See you.